Talofa lava, my name's Saw. I work for Ara, so we're here today for Let's Get Cooking Pacifica. We've got about 23 students and probably about 4 or 5 Pacifica parents that have come along to help cook with them as well. And so they're just learning some great tips on how to cook, what they can take home as well. So enjoy, it's been awesome.
My favourite part about today was definitely the eating part of it, and we also definitely loved the fruit salad, making the fruit salad and stirring it. Yeah, so we've had a lot of fun at Ara today, so let's get cooking.